Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and quick art and craft hacks. So first, by using some paper cutouts and clay, we have made this cute Santa. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken an empty bottle part and then we have taken this pink paper and cut it out into a flower and then paste it on the plastic bottle. Then we are making the base with green color, pasting it on that, and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken the net for our flowers. Then we are taking pot shaped paper and then completing our flower pot. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a tree by using some simple paper cutouts. We have also made a ladybug using some papers and you can see it is ready. Let's move ahead. Here we have made some different types of flowers and some different arts by using simple paper, and we are also making leaves. Let's move ahead. Here is a tutorial of how to make a knife with paper. So first we are taking this paper, cutting it out into the shape of knife and then folding it. After that we are making the handle and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a teddy bear by using brown and white paper. Let's move ahead. Here we've used purple sheet, cutting it, and then similarly we've taken green sheet and our orchids are ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken the green sheet, folding it out from the front and from the back, and our flying frogs are ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken white paper sheet and converting it into a beautiful bunny face, starting with folding it from the front and then from the sides and from the back also. And here you are, it is ready. Just detail it a bit with some markers and some colors and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken this red sheet on an empty roll and then taking this green cone, converting it into a beautiful rocket. And let's move ahead. Here we've taken some part of any cardboard, converted into a flower. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a cute pop-out message with a heart. We are taking some part of hearts and a white paper and a black stripe. We are also making lock and key and a beautiful message is ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken this orange and yellow paper covered on any roll and then we are just covering the orange paper on it and then giving it the pumpkin effect. Let's move ahead. Here you can take any square shape paper, folding it out from the front and then again from the front only till you get this type of shape. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a star with the help of paper. Then you can take any plastic bottle and then your lantern is ready. Thanks for watching.